I am the founder and CEO. My job entails everything. My area of expertise is the management of liquid materials. So all that cool dispensing stuff you see out there, a good bit of it came out of my head, and that frankly is our core technology. I started in the basement of my house. So look around. Pretty much everything has changed. I mean, you'll not find a company that has the hospitality and the benefits that we do. You'll never walk into a company that has a cafeteria, has its own primary care medical facility, has its own doctor of physical therapy, its own barber shop, its own bar, its own gym. So we do an awful lot to make sure that the employees are comfortable and happy here.
I am a manufacturing group manager. Specifically, I manage the engineered order and custom line of production. My role as a manager, I more or less make sure that everything stays on time for the projects. In the production process, we become much more efficient in the way we handle our design process, our parts. I did not go to college. I did BOCES program.
So I'm a machinist programmer. I get a print from engineers and I will program them with the stock that I'm given to machine a part. Anything that's not bought or outsourced, we can make from raw materials, from simple things like bolts to anything to complicated valve parts. My role at PVA is to try to make sure that parts are made accurately and to spec and that they're done on a timely manner. The 3D printers for prosthetics. We were able to use them to help people get mobility back, and we actually donated a couple to Ukraine with the war and got a video back of showing them use it, and a soldier had his leg back, and was able to walk again, so that was very rewarding to see. I actually went to college for machining, so Hudson Valley has a AMS program, Advanced Manufacturing, and they teach you how to use everything from screwdrivers and hammers to manual machines all the way up to the machines that you see me running out there.
I would say I enjoy the people the most.
The work atmosphere.
I just love the people I work with. It's the thing that keeps me coming to work.